Welcome to the channel. AI Knowledge is Power presents AI for Leaders and Future Pioneers. Module 3, Machine Learning ML. Machine learning, ML, is one of the most practical and widely implemented branches of artificial intelligence. It's the engine that powers data-driven predictions. Imagine predicting which customers might churn or which machine parts might fail before it happens. That's ML applied strategically. Machine learning doesn't rely on explicit rules programmed by humans. Instead, it learns patterns from large amounts of historical data. There are three main types of ML: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Each serves different purposes depending on the problem you need to solve. In supervised learning, models train on labeled data. For example, photos of cats and dogs already identified to learn how to tell them apart. Unsupervised learning finds hidden patterns in unlabeled data. It's ideal for grouping similar customers or detecting anomalies. Reinforcement learning is like teaching a robot to walk. It receives rewards or penalties as it tries different actions until it finds the best solution. As a business leader, you must recognize which ML type fits your challenges. As a technician, you'll need to choose the right algorithm and prepare data properly. Common algorithms include linear regression, decision trees, support vector machines, and basic neural networks, among others. An ML model isn't magic. It's a tool that requires clean data, careful training, and constant validation to avoid costly mistakes. For instance, if you train a model only on past data, it might replicate biases or fail to adapt to recent market or behavioral changes. This leads to a key concept: the importance of a solid data strategy. Without good data, even the best algorithm won't work correctly. You also need clear metrics to measure model performance. Is it accurate? Is it overfitting the training data? Does it work in real time? For decision makers, this means you can't just hire a data science team. You must understand enough to ask the right questions and demand results. For technicians, it means your work doesn't end when the model works. It must be integrated, maintained, and updated continuously. Successful ML applications don't just solve technical problems. They must be scalable, interpretable, and aligned with business goals. For example, a retail company might use ML to optimize inventory. But if the system can't adapt to peak seasons, it loses strategic value. Another common use case is ML in digital marketing, from personalized recommendations to fraud detection or social media sentiment analysis. But not all that glitters is gold. Many ML projects fail due to poorly defined problems or underestimated data quality requirements. The key is to start small, validate quickly, and scale only with solid evidence of real impact. This applies to both leaders and technicians. Mastering machine learning enhances not just your technical skills, but also your critical thinking about when and how to apply technology to real problems. Machine learning is one of the most powerful tools at your disposal today, but like any tool, its value depends on how you use it. Subscribe to AI Knowledge is Power for expert insights on your path to success. Remember, the future belongs to those who understand technology. Thank you for watching. See you next time.